Good evening everyone. I am Ronel Racadio from BES IT2C and group on PESA Sigurado, and this is our video documentation for our project PESA Sigurado.
My name is Paul Andre Didiga, BSIT2C.
PESA Sigurado is a mobile application prototype designed to streamline the process of viewing and ordering motorcycle parts. Our system uses in relational database to manage product details and user information. Our system aims to provide a simple mobile-first interface for customers to browse available motor parts, to see their prices and know which models they are compatible with. The user table handles login registration and identifies if a user is an administration. The product table stores the item names, price, available models, and image file path.
Demonstration showing SQL operation. This create command executed when the app first run, ensuring tables like user are correctly initialized with columns like username, password, and admin. To create a new customer account, the insert command is used within register user functions. It takes the user input and adds a new records to the user table. When a user attempts to log in the app, execute a select command, select ID full name, admin from user where username and password. This command retrieves the user detail only if the user name and password match the stored records. Select insert product browsing and cart. This screen relies on a simple select from product commands to fetch all items, their prices and images path from database to display the catalog. While the final cart currently in the memory dictionary, the concept is the same as temporary insert or update into a cart table. We are recording which product ID and quantity the user wants. Tapping a product executes a targeted select query, select from products where ID to fetch the specific price and available information for that single item. Update and delete. In a full system, an admin would use the update command to change a product price or stock update product set price where ID. When a user wants to delete their account, the delete commands executed delete from the user where ID. This permanently removes the corresponding row from the table. When a customer clicks buy now on the checkout screen, it initializes finalize order function. The system performs two critical SQL operations. A new record is added to a theoretical order. The biggest lesson learned from this project was the importance of the ACID properties of a database, especially consistency and isolation. By switching from simple JSON files to SQLite, I ensured that actions like creating an account or placing an order are atomic. They either fully complete or don't happen at all. This protects the data integrity, which is vital for any commercial application.